Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use 3D circular pattern in SolidWorks 2025 Olanet. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New, select Part and select OK. Now go to select the top plane and sketch. Now here select plane white. Now go to select circle, draw the from origin. Now give the dimension circle 200. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude 20. Okay. Now go to select fillet tools. Now here use fillet 20. Here select fillet 10. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the circle below 40. Now select here 40. Okay. This point control this point vertical. Now go to isometric view and select extrude curve. Okay. Now go to circular pattern. Now here select axis. Now feature and face box select extrude card. Now I am going to select for quantity. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the line here. Vertical and horizontal. Vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical and horizontal and vertical, horizontal. Now go to this line horizontal. Now give this line dimension 20. Okay. 20. Now this line dimension 50. Okay. This line select and midpoint select. Control this point vertical. Now again here this line select midpoint, control this point horizontal. Okay. Now this line control this line equal. And this line control this line, this line, this line equal. Okay. Now this line control this line and this line equal. This line select midpoint, control this point vertical. Okay. Sorry. Now go to feature and extrude select. Now I am going to here select 70. Okay. Now go to here select chamfer. Now here chamfer 40. Now select this is and this is and this is. Okay. Now go to this plane select and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the circle dimension 20. Okay. Now this line and this point distance 30. Okay. Now this point control this point horizontal. Control Z. Now just move here. Now this line dimension okay. Okay. Now this line select midpoint, control this point vertical. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and extrude cut. Okay. Now go to isometric view again. Now here select axis. Now go to circular pattern and select direction here. This axis select. Now go to feature and face. Now here select the cut. Now give the value 4. Okay. Now I am going to again here temporarily axis undo. Okay. Now go to here select shaded. Now go to select isometric view. Now here select again shaded with this. Now go to here. Now select here. Select metal. Now select here metal. Select metal. Now here select lead as your wish. Now I am going to select cast lead. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box. This job request my Facebook friend. You can request to make any job your university syllabus design course. You can request. I will make this your job. Thank you all.